Hello everybody, Dadas here with the Dadas Trading System Workshop, and welcome to the next episode of the Trade with Dadas series. Well, I haven't been making any videos for over a week now. Just wanted to see what will happen, and I guess nothing is happening, so perhaps it seems like nobody is watching these videos, or at least not a lot of people are watching these videos, and I was thinking of why. I mean, what am I doing wrong, or perhaps it's just YouTube that doesn't show my videos anywhere, and people don't find them. I don't know. Well, anyways, I've been doing all right. I've been trading. I've been also, I've lowered my leverage just to prepare for the new regulations of the ESMA regulator, right, of the European Union, because they're starting next month. That is starting July. We're going to have lower leverage, lower leverages, and so trading will be more difficult, or maybe, well, not difficult in the sense of trading itself, but if you want to make the same kind of money, you have to put 3 to 5 times more capital into your account in order to satisfy the required margin. Anyways, there will be probably other solutions. Well, I will probably have to migrate to a different broker, not a European broker, or at least outside of Europe, so where these regulations don't apply. Anyway, I'm thinking about it, and I have some ideas, and even my current broker has some ideas, or perhaps even has already done something. And I'm just waiting for my broker to make it easier for me to sort of seamlessly transition from one account to the other account. Anyways, yeah. As far as today's trading is concerned, then this is what happened today. I made a nice couple of trades. I mean, 7 trades altogether. As you can see, my win ratio today was over 85%. So yeah, there have been days when it was a little bit lower, around 65-70%, and some days that it's on the same level as right now. You can see that I have one open trade right now, a floating trade that I've made, not in the context of day trading, because I wanted to test out something. So I have a floating trade on WTI, so that's US crude oil, and I'm counting on over 600 pips here. So I estimate that this trade will have to wait at least until the end of the week, if not longer. Anyways, I'm prepared for that. The stop loss is 180 pips, and that's well, not a big amount, because I've only made a minimum lot trade. As you can see, the trade is 0.1 lot, and that's the minimum lot on this instrument at this moment. So overall, you see the account is growing and everything is going well. My system is absolutely working. It's a fine system. I can, of course, I can trade not only that way, but I can also trade other ways, right? So one position is floating, other positions are closed. The day trading positions are closed. Even if I have a loss on my on the U.S. crude oil, it doesn't affect anything, because I can make it up in a couple of trades on regular day trading. Yeah, even, well, 1 to 2 trades, or practically 2 trades perhaps. If they are full trades, then it will be 1.5 trades to make up for the loss. So yeah, that's the way it's going. I'm still waiting for people to join me. If you are interested in making money in trading charts, I can help you. I can really help you a lot. So please, you have all the contacts on my screen and below. As usual, please like, please subscribe, because that probably helps. Well, if I get viewers and they like and subscribe, then perhaps my films will be better visible on YouTube for other people to find me. Well, otherwise, if nobody is watching, then how can we generate any traffic? Well, it's not possible. So it's up to you, people. You can help me by liking and subscribing. This the only way you can help me. Otherwise, if you want my system, please contact me by Skype, and we'll go on from there. Thank you very much, and let's make it happen.